I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring WhatsApp on your phone is active and connected. Open WhatsApp desktop or navigate to web. WhatsApp. Com on your computer. Once the QR code appears, open WhatsApp on your phone and tap the three dots or settings to select linked devices. Tap Link a device and allow camera access, then point your phone camera at the QR code. This starts the secure pairing process, and you'll see your chats load on the desktop after the scan completes. Once the QR code is scanned, you authorize the new desktop session. You may need to enter your phone PIN or confirm biometric access, so make sure you complete that promptly. The app begins syncing messages and media. Large attachments take longer, so monitor progress and avoid closing the phone app. If you prefer persistent access, select Keep Me Signed In on the desktop. Make sure to enable desktop notifications if you want real-time alerts. Then test sending a message to confirm everything functions. To finalize, send a test message, a photo, and a voice note to confirm two-way sync. Make sure media opens correctly. If the desktop doesn't connect, check both devices' internet, disable VPNs or proxies, and rescan the QR code. That usually resolves pairing errors. If sessions persist on old devices, open linked devices on your phone and sign them out for security. Lastly, enable auto start for WhatsApp desktop if you want it available at login. That completes the setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.